Hello there, welcome back to our channel, the one-stop resource for all things related to AI. Today, we have an exciting comparison video for you that I'm sure you're going to find extremely helpful. Whether you're a professional content creator, a business owner looking to automate your copywriting, or just someone who's interested in leveraging AI to enhance your writing, this video is for you. We're going to dive into 4 different AI writing tools, dissecting their features, pros and cons, and giving you an honest user review. Let's start with Jasper AI, the all-around best AI writing software. As we unwrap the features and capabilities of this stellar platform, you'll discover how it can elevate your content creation process. Jasper AI, previously known as Jarvis AI, stands tall as a comprehensive solution for diverse content needs. Despite the complexity of its offerings, Jasper is amazingly user-friendly. Its primary attraction is the long-form assistant, a tool that's as unique as it is powerful. However, its capability extends far beyond just long-form content. In Jasper's rich feature set, you'll find more than 50 templates designed to expedite the creation of various content types. It also introduces the concept of recipes. These are essentially command sets that Jasper executes to produce complex content types. Think of them as turbocharged templates. The platform is powered by the groundbreaking GPT-3 technology, which sets the stage for remarkable AI-generated content. But Jasper's abilities aren't confined by language barriers. It can accept inputs and deliver content in 25 different languages, making it a truly global tool. If you're seeking added functionalities, Jasper doesn't disappoint. It offers a grammar checker, plagiarism detection, and even an SEO mode, creating an all-in-one writing suite to meet diverse needs. Although aesthetic appeal may not be its strongest suit, Jasper's intuitive interface more than compensates for it. With an emphasis on smooth navigation and easy onboarding for new users, the interface ensures you'll spend less time figuring it out and more time creating. From setting the tone of voice in your document to instantly generating a blog intro, Jasper streamlines your writing process in the most efficient way. It doesn't get much easier than instructing Jasper to write a blog intro and watching it deliver in seconds. However, let's talk about pricing. For $49 a month, Jasper may seem like a steal, but here's the catch. To unlock all of Jasper's remarkable features, you'll need to opt for Jasper's Teams mode, which comes at $125 a month. Although it might seem steep, it's worth considering for the wealth of features and ease of use it offers. To sum it up, Jasper AI is a powerful and comprehensive AI writing tool that, despite its price tag, offers immense value to writers and content creators alike. If you're looking to harness the power of AI in your writing process, Jasper might just be the tool you've been searching for. Now that we've got a good look at Jasper AI, let's move on to our next stop, Rytr. Touted as the best budget-friendly AI writing software at first glance, Rytr might not have the sleek appearance of Jasper AI or Copy.ai, and you might even find it a bit confusing. If you're looking for extravagant templates or a seamless interface, you might need to look elsewhere. But if you're seeking an economical AI writing tool, Rytr is your go-to choice. Let's delve deeper into the features. Most AI writing software follows a simple choose, edit, generate workflow, and Rytr isn't different in that respect. But it does offer the added flexibility of editing multiple articles, posts, emails, or other documents all at once. But the features don't stop there. Rytr brings to the table document editing capabilities akin to Jasper's long-form assistant, GPT-3-powered writing, and a compact interface that consolidates all your writing needs in one dashboard. With over 30 use cases covered, Rytr may not offer as many as some competitors, but it ensures the basics are well addressed. And it stands tall on the language front too, with support for over 30 languages, including Hindi. For those of you looking for SEO support, Rytr integrates seamlessly with SEMrush, making keyword research a breeze while writing. As for the interface, Rytr's compact design might seem overwhelming initially. However, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the integrated approach to content creation. Unlike other platforms that spread functionalities across multiple dashboards, windows, and tabs, Rytr packs everything into one. In terms of pricing, Rytr offers a free plan that acts as a trial. With a limit of 5,000 characters, you'll soon realize the need for an upgrade. The Saver plan is an affordable option at $9 per month, but it still has a cap of 50,000 characters. To truly unlock Rytr's potential, the unlimited plan at $29 per month is your best bet. In summary, Rytr may not boast the bells and whistles of its competitors, but it stands out as an affordable, compact AI writing tool that brings plenty to the table. With our sights set on the next AI writing tool, we're diving into Copy.ai, hailed as the best tool to help you overcome writer's block. As we delve into this innovative solution, we'll see what makes Copy.ai a worthy competitor in the AI writing space. Like Rytr and Jasper AI, Copy.ai is also built upon the revolutionary GPT-3 technology. Boasting over 90 templates, a range of editing tools, and even a grammar checker, Copy.ai is your trusty companion when you find yourself stuck on a sentence or lacking inspiration. But the distinguishing factor here? Copy.ai is designed to help you overcome the much-dreaded writer's block. It leverages machine learning to nudge writers along when you're feeling stumped. Feature-wise, Copy.ai holds its own against its competitors. With its speedy content generation, over 90 templates to cater to a myriad of content needs, and multi-language support, Copy.ai ensures you're well-equipped for any writing task. Furthermore, the platform comes with a fun selection of templates that might not be incredibly utilitarian but are sure to boost your inspiration. Add-ons such as a verb booster, sentence simplifier, and grammar checker further smooth out the content production process. Shifting our attention to the interface, Copy.ai boasts an aesthetic, intuitive design that many users laud as the best in the AI writing assistant niche. The software is user-friendly and quick to navigate, ensuring an excellent user experience for beginners and pros alike. When it comes to pricing, Copy.ai does offer a free plan, but with a limit of 10 credits, it's more of a taster than a full meal. For regular use in content creation, the $36 per month Pro plan will be your best bet. In our experience, while Copy.ai's output may not always hit the mark like Rytr or Jasper's, it's still a competent tool capable of producing high-quality content. Plus, it stands out as the only AI writing tool to support fun templates, all wrapped up in a well-designed package. To wrap things up, if you're seeking a more affordable alternative to Jasper, and Rytr's interface or templates don't sit well with you, Copy.ai could be your perfect fit. Next up in our exploration of AI writing tools is Writesonic, an absolute treasure for those heavily engaged in marketing copy creation. If you're dealing with marketing copy on a regular basis and are considering automation, you might want to pay attention to what Writesonic offers. My first impression of Writesonic was the sheer breadth of their marketing-specific templates. Whether you need to craft a compelling LinkedIn description, whip up engaging ad copy for Facebook or Google, or even churn out effective product descriptions, Writesonic is prepared to assist you every step of the way. One of the standout features of Writesonic is how it effortlessly manages the balance between short-form and long-form content. Despite having a clear focus on short-form copy, which is evident from their extensive template collection, they haven't neglected the importance of long-form content. Their long-form assistant comes to the rescue here, helping you weave longer narratives with ease. I found this balance quite refreshing. A key component of Writesonic's efficiency is its reliance on OpenAI's GPT-3 model, putting it on par with other leading AI writing tools. GPT-3's capabilities translate into a streamlined, efficient content creation process that, in my experience, could shave hours off your writing time. Writesonic's process for creating content is wonderfully simple. All you have to do is fill in some basic information about your project, press generate, and sit back as Writesonic does the heavy lifting. It's quite amazing to watch the AI come up with ideas and flesh them out in real time. For international content creators or those working with multinational clients, Writesonic's support for 24 languages is a godsend. It's a feature that I personally found incredibly helpful while working on multilingual projects. Now, as for the interface, it might seem a bit cluttered compared to the simplicity of Jasper or the elegance of Copy.ai. However, once you get the hang of it, you'll find that Writesonic's platform is quite intuitive and easy to navigate. Writesonic's pricing plans are quite diverse, ranging from a no-cost trial option to a fully featured $99 per month subscription. Although the allotted credits at this tier are limited, gaining access to such a powerful tool at a minimal investment is a bargain. However, to truly unlock the full potential of Writesonic, I would recommend considering their professional subscription at $49 per month. This grants you unlimited credits, allowing for more extensive usage of their toolset. And that wraps up our in-depth comparison and review of 4 leading AI writing tools. We hope that our hands-on experiences, shared insights, and the pros and cons of each platform have provided you with a clearer picture to make your decision-making process easier. Remember, the best AI writing tool is the one that aligns with your specific needs, be it content creation, optimization, ease of use, or affordability. So, take your time to consider what you need most, and choose accordingly. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content like this. Also, we'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences with any of these AI writing tools. So, don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments section below.